Hi, my name's James Price and I'm Chief Executive of Transport for Wales. And at Transport for Wales, creating sustainable transport choices so people don't have to use their car is what we're all about. And the annual report sets out the things that we've done over the last 12 months, which have been many and varied, but just a few of those include where we are today. So we're in Taftswell, and hopefully, as you can see behind me, we are really pressing ahead with our metro works. The depot is here in Taftswell to support this side of the valleys. We'll have new trains arriving here actually very shortly. But we have been working on rail right across Wales, trying to upgrade our rolling stock ahead of new trains coming in over the next months and years. But of course, we're much more than just about rail. Rail is quite a small proportion of the public transport offer that people need in Wales for the future, and bus and active travel are really important parts as well. So on bus, we've been working very closely with our partners in the Welsh Government and in local government, and of course with bus operators to try and help those operators run the networks that people want, recover post-pandemic, and build a strong base for going into the future of bus as various different pieces of legislation go through, which will change the way that bus operators and operations work in Wales for the better. In active travel, we've had a really busy year in terms of making sure that we spend significant money, again working with Welsh Government and local authorities, to upgrade the infrastructure, upgrade the way that people can go and about walking and cycling in a much easier way.
I'm Heather Clash, Executive Director of Finance and Governance at Transport for Wales. Our annual report for 2021-22 represents an expenditure of £697 million, which provides delivery of services and transformation of the network. The expenditure value of £697 million is broken into £346 million for revenue expenditure, which supports the rail services, and £351 million covering the new metro, active travel grants, new rolling stock and various other capital infrastructure activity.
I'm Scott Waddington and I'm Chair of Transport for Wales. I'm very pleased to be introducing our annual report and accounts for 2021-22. Our workload is significant as we adapt to our changing remit and balance the delivery of existing services with investment in the future.
The funding we receive as an organisation allows us to provide the services for the people of Wales and borders, as well as funding our ambitious plans for the future. As a non-profit organisation, the more successful we are, the more we can invest in improvements to help with the climate change emergency.
We're embedding sustainability in all that we do, advising on policy and building resilience across the organisation. We're also influencing positive behaviour change while building an inclusive transport network that meets everyone's needs. Our customers remain at the heart of everything we do, and I look forward to delivering on our commitments to make their experiences even better, building on the improvements that we've already delivered this year.
Heddiw, mae Trafnidiaeth Cymru wedi cyhoeddi'r Adroddiad Blynyddol am y flwyddyn diwethaf. Mae'n ddiddorol am flwyddyn arbennig ac cymaint o newidiadau wedi digwydd. Rwy'n cyflwyno i chi darllen os mae'r amser ydych chi. Fi yw cadeirydd risg a chwilio pwyllgor Trafnidiaeth Cymru. A mae cyfrifoldeb da fi i edrych ar eich barn chi, y pobl Cymru, i wneud yn siŵr bod popeth yn daclus yn Trafnidiaeth Cymru. A'n llai gweud o'r galon bod pobl sy'n gweithio yn Trafnidiaeth Cymru yn gweithio galed iawn ac yn edrych ar ôl eich arian chi. A mae hwnnw'n bwysig, achos y diwedd y ddydd mae pawb yn gweithio i gael system trafnidiaeth agorau yn y byd a rhywbeth gallech chi fel pobl Cymru yn falchio ynddo.
Of course, this year has also been a year in which we've all been having to deal with the significant effects of the pandemic, both in terms of some of the really bad effects it's had on people's lives and people's family, but also in terms of the effects it's had on projects.
Diolch yn fawr iawn i'r staff sydd wedi gweithio mor galed a'r partneriaid a'n dod i'r adroddiad blynyddol yma at ei gilydd. Fel wedes i ymlaen, mae hwn yn werth i ddarllen. Thank you very much indeed to all the staff that have contributed to this excellent publication, and also the partners that have worked with us to produce it. For you, the Welsh public, I recommend that you read it. it's well worth reading and actually is a recognition of all the hard work that we're doing on your behalf.